Hey everyone, Sophia here from my great challenge. The end is near. I'm almost done with the laundry room. Actually, I only have 2 videos left. This one and then the next one, which probably will be a before and after. Alright, so before I show you what I'm doing today, I'm going to show you what I did yesterday. And then today's going to be really quick because I just have to make curtains for the big window and decorate with some baskets. That's it. So look at the stuff from yesterday. So I think when you come in, this is making a huge difference. So this is what the laundry looks like as of now. I think it's a big improvement. I did get a runner that's a dark gray. It was a cheapo runner or whatever. So this is working really nice for us. I like that I have a surface. I can put stuff on it. I still have to figure out what I'm going to do with paper towel. This is holding up really nice and it serves its purpose, which was to hide the ugliness on the other side. And again, this is the basket where I'm putting the toilet paper and stuff. And I quickly painted the top of the garbage. Yes, I still have a ton of clothes here that need to go up. You need to bring your clothes upstairs.
I also, wait, these are, oh, right.
No, the ones that are here.
Also, where'd you put my 2DS?
I don't know, ask your dad.
Okay, I'll go.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay, and then I received this in the mail. And I thought it was from Amanda, but it's not. And there was absolutely no return address or name. So whoever you are, thank you very much because it's on the wall and I really like it. So I'm going to show you what it looks like when you come into the laundry room. Yeah, I think it serves its purpose right. And love it. Okay, quick peek, except for the laundry I got to fold. Quick peek in the basement. I removed the rugs. They were getting really stinky. Next week I'm getting a rug doctor somewhere around Thursday. I'm going to do all the rugs in the house and I may do the ones that were here. Quilting table is still nice and organized, and I have this one here now. I know this is not laundry related, but I wanted to share now. So my mother-in-law sent me most of her leftover fabric and I have a whole bunch now. So this is all fat quarters that I've organized by color, right? You can see that. And then on the other side here I have all the large pieces of fabric that I can use for backing or whatever. So that's working really nice. And then on here I did put a rod. And I have the very first quilt I made years ago. That was the first one. I had no idea what I was doing. I think it still looks pretty good. I did everything wrong on. I didn't even use a walking foot, but it looked really good. And that's the one, if you remember, that I never quilted. So that's probably going to be one of my next projects. Anyway, we are back in the laundry room. So today I'm putting curtains up here. And then I'm going to organize this here because it has to be functional. Obviously I don't want all this crap there. There's some items that are related to the laundry that needs to stay here, and then other stuff that can go somewhere else. But overall what I want to do is hide the stuff, or at least make this area look a little bit prettier, and I have baskets for that, but we're not there yet. First I have to make a curtain. So I'm doing the exact same thing that I did here, which is put a rod up and then same length. The curtains on this side are going to go from pretty much here all the way down to about here. I can't have them cover this because this is the heat and I don't want the heat to go behind the curtain. And then after that all I have to do is finish up with these covers here. I'm missing a piece over there, you can see that. I have only half of the wall here done, and then I have the whole length here done, but I'm missing a piece on the other side. So that would be probably a non-video. So the next time you'll see me after that will be the before and after, but I already mentioned it. So let me put up a curtain and I'll be right back. I don't know if you can see me. Okay, so I'm just cutting a piece of fabric in two. It's not like something that needs to be very exact. I have the same length. It doesn't matter if they're going to be the same width because they're going to be gathered anyway. So while I'm doing that, we're going to chit chat. Let me get my machine over. I love this thing. My brother, it's, wow. I'm so happy with it. Anyway, so here's one length. I'm going to do the bottom part first. I'm doing the same thing than last time, just a zigzag. Half an inch at the bottom, that's it. So anyway, just what I wanted to talk about was, you know, this is not a improvement to the house per se, what I just did. The point of this laundry room makeover was just really to just make the laundry room more appealing when you walk in. That's really all I wanted. If I had wanted to do a renovation, I would have brought in somebody, or I could have done it myself. I would have done the sheet rocking and all of that, because I know how to do this stuff. I just didn't want to be bothered with it because it's just a laundry room, okay? But I have to tell you, it's a totally different feeling when you walk in, because not only is it brighter, it's cleaner, it's better organized, it doesn't feel dingy, dungeony, dirty. It just is a very pleasant room to walk in. Matter of fact, we tend to leave the door open now, which we weren't doing before. Before we were really just closing the door because it was so unsightly in there. So I'm just very happy with this. It's nowhere near the level of improvement I made in the office or my staircase upstairs, but it's still an improvement. Hold on, need the specs. We are doing a zigzag. Any kind of zigzag, right? Doesn't really matter. Let's do a number 4. Okay. Here we go. A little bit bigger. Okay. Where's my pedal? Right. So it is, to me, a major improvement. Scott likes it. The kids like it, and that's all that matters. So there's other stuff I want to do now. See the staircase that's on this side? I want to put a curtain right here to close it off because it is drafty. It really is, like sewing and doing quilting here in the winter. I mean, even though winter is over, I just want to close it off. Okay, done. Took 15 minutes. I mean, literally 15 minutes. So I'm putting it on either side, and the good thing about it is that it hides the pipes here, and on this side it hides this, so it makes it look a little bit less industrial. The pipe, there's nothing I can do about it, it's there. Okay, I tried to close it all the way. I just don't like the way it looks. It looks like what it looked like before when I had this, whatever that was, in front of it. So I'm just gonna leave it like this. It finishes up the room nicely. So I remove all of the clothes that were here, and I'm going to tackle this area, but first I have to show you what baskets I got. So to continue with the farmhouse look, I went to my amazing savings today, which is kind of like a, I don't know, it's like a dollar store premium, I guess. And they had this chicken wire type baskets with the very same drop cloth. See that? Okay, same one, and they have a little trim of lace, which is basically what I wanted to do with the curtains to begin with, and little buttons here, and then they have handles and little ties, so if that gets dirty you can wash it. And they were $5.99 each, and I got 3 of them. So they're gonna go here, 1, 2, and 3. Let me take that down, and then I'll figure out how I'm going to organize them. And here we go, and I think it looks really neat. Yes, eventually I will change all the hangers so that they're all the same. We have a lot of those wooden ones. We actually may keep those, even though they take more room. But we like the wooden ones, and I like the way the wooden ones look here. But to be honest, most of the hangers go back upstairs. See, all of the clothes that were hung here, they're going upstairs on the hangers. So when there's no clothes here, there's barely any hangers. So most of the time, it should look like this. So if I have a few better looking hangers, probably would be a better thing. Okay, so on this side here, I just have things that need to be mended. I have a shirt that needs to have some stain removed, so that's my little to-do project basket. In the middle here is supplies. This is where I have the extra boxes of, you can see them, dryer sheets. And in here I just have the shoe shine kit. That's it. It fits perfectly. These are the size of a shoe box basically, because that's one of those plastic shoe box that I have in there, and it fits. So there you go. I really like the way it looks. I mean, yes, the ceiling is not completed and I will never do it because I've made a decision not to do anything about the ceiling, and that's not only because of the old termite damage, but it's also for tax purposes. If I finish this room ceiling, then the basement will be considered fully finished and the tax bracket changes. So guess what? Partially finished basement. I am keeping the ceiling the way it is. So that's the story and I'm sticking to it. Anyway, how short was this? I'm done. I have a ton, so all the laundry is over there now. I gotta get the kids to move that upstairs. I have to fold laundry. I have one load in the dryer, and then I have to do a few more loads. And there's something else I want to do today as a video. It's vintage linen that I need to clean, and I need to whiten out, and I don't know if it's gonna work, so we're gonna find out in the next video. Until then, give me a thumbs up if you like the baskets and the overall look of this room for now, and don't forget to subscribe right here if you're brand new, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.